drum beats. Our roots are waking. Ancestors rise and gather in unity. This is where tradition breathes and the spirit of our people dances. Welcome to EBYTV, a platform built to showcase culture, history, tradition, and telling the African story. Jacqueline Presga is my name, and I am your host. Relax and stay glued to your screens as we take you through the journey of African stories. African local drum beats and dances are vibrant culture expression and a form of communication that reflects history, beliefs, values, and daily lives of the many ethnic groups across the continent. Each dance carries its own story. Some honor chiefs and ancestors, while many others showcase bravery, spirituality, and community unity. These dances combine energetic movements, rhythmic drumming, colorful costume, call and response singing, all together to create performances full of life and meaning. Ghanaian traditional dances do you know? How well do you know them? Do you know what they mean and how they came about? If you do, drop it in the comment section and let's get interactive. This is the Ghana We Have, a program designed to showcase the tradition, history, and culture of Ghanaians. There are several local dances in Ghana. These include Kete, Agbaja, Fontomfrom, Balogo, Bamaya, Adowa, Bobobo, and many others. These dances do not only serve as entertainment, but also a form of communication and culture preservation.
I would like to speak to you in the drum language. It has been many sad years since the earth has been filled with the cries of our people. The sounds remain still in the mist. The shores of homes, the Middle Passage. The lands to which our ancestors were taken are all haunted by the cries of many. Cries that will never stop until the soul can see the unification.
Today, we are going to talk about the Fontomfrom dance. Yes, guess you know about the drum, but not the dance. The Fontomfrom drum is a big hourglass-shaped drum. The rhythms produced from this drum on its own is used to communicate, recite proverbs, and replicate patterns of speech. The Fontomfrom drum was first brought to the Bono monarchy for entertainment by Bono Hene Ekumfi Ameyao I, all the way from North Africa, and it was later adopted for royal purposes. The Fontomfrom dance is one of the most rooted and rich cultural dance in Ghana. This dance is normally performed by the people of Bono. However, the various tribes in Akan have their unique way of dancing to the Fontomfrom drum. During the performance of the Fontomfrom dance, Deru, Achichewa, Atumpai, and the Fontomfrom drum itself is being used all together to produce a sweet rhythm. This dance is performed to honor chiefs, communicate proverbs for royal processions, and signifying tradition during derbes, funerals, and important ceremonies. Every move of the hands, swing of the head, stamp of the feet, and steps taken serves as a form of communication to the audience. Each step holds its unique meaning. This dance involves a lot of energy and skills. You can't afford to dance with a low energy or miscommunicate to your audience whilst dancing. Fontomfrom is a core part of royal music and dance, used on many traditional occasions. In our next episode of The Ghana We Have, we will bring you videos of a Fontomfrom competition that was done in honor of the 40th anniversary of Dasibre Edusei Piasa IV, Chief of Achim Tafo. This is EBYTV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at EBYTV Ghana and follow us on all other social media platforms at EBYTV. Jacqueline Presga is my name, and this is Ghana. My Ghana, your Ghana, our Ghana, the Ghana we have. Experience a world of culture and heritage.
EBYTV, simply unique.